Good morning. I am Dr. Sanyogita Vijay Naik. Came here for pain fellowship which is running by Dr. Dib Joti and Dr. Chinmai Roy sir. I saw their advertisement online. I was thinking to do the same chronic pain management, to do something in chronic pain management, but I got this contact number and I registered for the chronic pain management academy of the Kolkata Asian Pain Academy, Kolkata, which is very good experience. I completed my 4 days workshop here. We got the theoretical knowledge, especially anatomical knowledge very well, and also the hands-on procedure, and we got the skill how to give the talks for the radicalopathy and for the trigeminal neuralgia and so many things. So we got some confidence, and I'm sure that I will run the pain clinic under guidance of the Dr. Dib Joti and Dr. Chinmera. Thank you for this academy.